joining me for another shave. Another Friday, another shave. Yay! The end of the week. God, aren't these weeks going quick? Right, looking forward to this. Good shave. I've had it for a while, but I was waiting till they brought the splash out. And it's Stirling Soap Company Boat Drinks. Look at the label on that, guys. Wow. I'd say the scent on this. If I can describe this, it's party in a tub. Oh, it's notes in this are rum, banana, mandarin, and coconut. What a combination! What a cocktail! It reminds me of something like a pina colada. I'm not getting mandarin. The rum hits you in the face. And I'm getting the coconut and the banana. The banana overrides the coconut. And there's the pour, there's the colour of it, guys. Nice brown. I've got a lot of that at the tub today. Right, put that down there. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. But they got the soap in and not the splash, and I had to wait. Then I got the splash, and then I had new soaps as well before. Long story. Brush I'm using is DS Cosmetic 24mm synthetic tuxedo knot. Named the Honeycomb. No, it's not. It's the Honey Dripper by Dave Dart. Sorry, Dave. How you doing, Dave? I hope you're okay, mate. Yeah, the Honey Dripper. Beautiful brush. And the razor of choice today is, as you see in the thumbnail, is the Christopher Bradley Karve. If it'll focus. You gonna focus? The light's a bit iffy here. Hang on, let me turn my lights up. Christopher Bradley Karve. Wide body head cap to stop the overhang. And it's the 3.5 handle. Nice heavyweight. And I'm using the C plate today. I keep forgetting there's a washer on the end of it. You can see that. You can see the C. And the blade in there today, I'm using a Gillette Wilkinson sword saloon pack. And it'll be its second use. Single wrap. Load the blade. The base cap on. That's nice. Washer. I keep forgetting the washer. Make sure it's nice and tight. And as you can see with the wide body head cap, no overhang whatsoever, guys. Blade alignment is nice. So we'll wet the brush, not soaking it today. 3 flicks so it's wet but not dripping. And I'm just going to load the brush up for about 13 seconds, something like that. I don't want to create a lather in the bowl. I'm just going to gather the soap and we'll add water as we go on. So how you guys doing? You okay? Have you had a good week? I hope so. I hope you've had some great shaves. Gotta go with that. We'll just wet the face. Yeah, I hope you've had a good week, guys. And me and Mrs. B are getting better day by day. I'm going to dip the tips before we start. Oh wow, the scent strength out of the puck has got to be, to my nose, about an 8. And it's the same when you're lathering up. That is beautiful. Running water everywhere there, guys. Get it worked into the bristles, soften those bristles up. Water running down my hand. That is a strong. Oh, the banana hits you now. The banana really hits you. Go with that. Looking forward to this. Ooh. It's got to be a combination of all the scents, because I'm getting chocolate, a slight chocolate scent. That's strange. Oh, the other ingredient, scent profile, sorry, in this, and I had to write it down. It's Flangipani. No, it's Flangipani. Yeah, like I'm gonna remember that. Here we go, guys. Crystal Bradley Karve, C plate, Gillette Wilkinson sauce saloon pack, second use. That's nice. Nice and smooth. Not too worried about the sides. I've got another head shave coming up. Wow, it's just slicing through those whiskers. Good blade these. I really like the Gillette Wilkinson swords. Government is planning on lifting practically all the restrictions for the COVID on the 19th of July over here in the UK. Wales at the moment, because we normally follow suit a couple of weeks later, but at the moment they said we have no intentions of no intentions of lifting at the moment. Look at this leather, guys. Mind you, you don't expect anything else from Stirling. Yes, it's a thinner, slightly watery leather. I'm actually going to add a bit more there. I didn't feel the need to have a really thick, rich leather on this. Here we go, guys, second pass across the grove. Yeah, so Boris Johnson, the MP, over in the UK, it's more or less told people, make your own minds up and learn to live with the COVID. There is mixed guidelines, as there has been all the way through this pandemic over here in this country anyway. But hey, it is what it is. Let's just make the most of it. Because I don't think it's going anywhere. It's here to stay, and it'll be a case of a booster jab before every autumn or something like that. That's just my opinion. Absolutely love this razor. Now the blade gap on the seat plate is about 0.80, it's either 0.84 or 0.85. There's not a lot of blade exposure on this, positive exposure. I think it's 0.09, something like that, hence its smoothness. I can barely feel the blade. You know, I like a lot of blade feel. Love the blade, love the soap, love the razor. Oh, I didn't spray up, did I? Never mind. I can always add a little right now. Slickness is excellent. And it's a limited edition soap. I think it's a seasonal soap. It only comes out in the summer, they re-release it. Here we go, guys, Against the Growth. This is an absolutely beautiful shave. I'm loving every minute of this. Nice feedback off the blade. Don't know if you can hear that, guys. Yeah, why don't these artisans come out with like ingredients and scents profiles and everything like that? Words that we can pronounce. I'm sure they do it on purpose for us YouTubers. Get your tongue round that one. Nice, really nice. Whether here in the UK, for those of you across the pond and everywhere else, wherever you are in the world, watching this, it's been mixed match. We've had a lot of rain the last couple of days. Yesterday, it tried to rain, but it didn't. Only spitting for about 15 minutes, something like that. It's been warm, humid, nice sunshine, but it's interchangeable. Put a bit of water on the top lip there for the slickness. Slickness is great. Wow. Never disappoints the Karve. Usual suspects around the jawline. Plenty in the brush. I could probably do another couple of passes there. Here we go, guys, pick up time. That's better, I can feel it now. Now this soap as well, guys, it's not going to be to everybody's taste because it does come with a warning. There's an ingredient in there, I can't remember what it said. There's an ingredient in there that it might irritate the skin. You might get a little slight bit of burn. So what I would do, if you get it, try and get a sample if you can. Just rub your finger on it and put a little bit behind your ear. It's one of the most sensitive parts of your body. That way, if you do have a reaction to it, you're only going to have a reaction to that bit and not over your whole face. And maybe the scent as well, with it being such a strong scent, it might not be to everybody's taste either. But guys, it's a party in a tub. And I love strong scents. Wow. There's some really good shades lately. Cold water is. Don't know why I'm telling you. Do it at the end of every shave.
Alum.
Plenty of zing on the neck. Really got close on that one. Plenty of zing on the neck, but it's fine. Cold water rinse again. Nice fresh towel, thanks Mrs. B. There we go guys, that's the end result. No issues. No weepers, no seepers. Aftershave, gotta be both drinks, matching splash. Nice restrictor on these bottles. Control the splash quite easy. Oh, the rum and the banana go so well together. I'm on some more. Absolutely amazing scent. So glad I got it. Balm today is going to be, I know it's Nivea, but I can't remember which one it was. Nivea Protect and Care, replenishing post-shave balm. Can't go wrong with Nivea, guys. Can't go wrong with Nivea. Come on. That's all you need, guys. Pea size. Can you see that? Oh wow. Thank you to the new subscribers as well. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Welcome on board. What a shave. Really enjoyed that. That was nice. That's it, guys. That's a shave. Stirling Soap Company boat drinks. If you like strong scents, tropical, wow, yeah. And you know you're going to get good quality, good good performance with Stirling. You can't go wrong. Right, I'm going to clean all this up now, and I'll see you for your head shavers. I'll see you on Sunday for the head shave, and if I don't see you then, I'll see you Tuesday for the shave. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Have a great weekend. Whatever you do, enjoy it and stay safe. I'll see you Sunday. If not, I'll see you Tuesday. Bye, guys.